How to change Shopee payment method. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopee payment method. First of all, open up your Shopee account in the web browser. Once you get into your account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, choose the My Account option from here. And from your account, click on the Banks and Cards option. You can add new card options from here. Adding different cards or bank accounts will provide many payment options. For adding a new bank, you need to enter your phone number and verify it. Then go to My Purchase and click on To Pay. Because you added a new bank or credit card, you can choose any of the following payment methods to shop on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.